Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to scan WhatsApp QR code to link your WhatsApp account to other devices securely. So to do this, you have just to open your WhatsApp account, and after that, go and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen, and after that click on linked devices. And here WhatsApp will show you the linked devices already to your account if you have already some linked devices. And to scan the QR code, you have just to click on linked device, open your account, and after that you should open WhatsApp on web.whatsapp.com on your desktop or any other device that you want to link it to your actual WhatsApp account. And after that, click on OK. And when you open that link, of course I will not open it because it will open my account in other device. And after that, your camera will start working, as you can see. And you will, after opening that link, you will see a QR code on your screen. You have just to scan it with your phone, and after that, your WhatsApp account will open securely on the other device. And of course, don't open your account on any device that is not secure. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.